Do you work in the residential refurbishment industry? Are you passionate about offering services that rebuild the past, such as contractors who renovate buildings or a painter who applies top-of-the-line coatings? Maybe you own a pool servicing company that turns what looks like a green pond into an oasis. If so, you could be missing out on the opportunity to generate more income. Meet Dustless Blasting. This revolutionary process goes hand in hand with the residential renovation industry. While being able to remove the toughest coatings like rock-hard calcium deposit on pool tiles, it can still gently blast the lightest of wood stains from log cabins. Integrating dustless blasting into your profession would open doors to even more revenue streams, like graffiti removal, furniture and antique restoration, pool resurfacing, sealer removal from tile and concrete, and you can even texturize it. This tool has the strength to make your company an all-in-one powerhouse. It's time to use your insider knowledge to become the surface prep expert in your field. So be the one who stands out. Be the industry insider.